Hey, this is Mehdi again. I have a 2013 Honda Odyssey, and this is one of the common issue with this car. The fuel cap check message keep coming on, and this screen right there is not here right now. It basically, when shows up, after a couple of days when you keep driving the car, that disappeared, and the check engine light comes on. The problem is basically this car has an Evap problem, and if you look at the scanner here, you see there's a P0455. Let me check. Yeah, we have 6 code, and all of them are like a P0456, P0455, P0456. Some of them it's just duplicated. We need to pay attention. The first things you need to check, because we replaced the fuel cap in this car like a month ago, and because of the same issue, and fuel cap was old and it was smelling gas. When you remove it, pay attention to the rubber around it. If you just smell it, if you see smelled gas and just a little bit like a moisture, and you feel it's old, it's time to replace it, just do it, because it's the cheapest way you can do it. And the second things, most of the time, if it didn't fix your problem, second things you need to check, it is the purge solenoid. Let me show you where it is. Purge solenoid is a common issue. It causes multiple cold setup, and purge solenoid. Look at purge solenoid. You see it? And make sure check it with to make sure you feel tight enough, and the hole is good, no crack. And make sure check this one. It has a 2-pin connector. Most of the time you can do like a check continuity with the multimeter. But most of the time this goes bad, and you need to replace it with the fuel cap. You can fix the problem. This is the main issue you need to take care of. Okay? And yeah, that's it. Basically, just you can check power and ground and both wires. There's 2-pin connected. And after that, check the continuity in there. So how you guys know, I have a video I'll show you how you can check the continuity. So there's 2 connectors, one on the bottom, one on the top. And yeah, basically that's it.